Hello friends, can anyone tell me what are benefits of traveling? Yes, we get a break from our daily routine. We get to see new things, try new cuisine and enjoy our vacation. My name is Asmi Gupta and I am from grade 4 and I am here to talk about time travel from Mother Nature to machines. How if you get a chance to travel in a time? That means, just imagine, traveling from our lives in past to our lives in future. Sounds exciting, na? If we go to our past, we can see so many natural things. There was so much of greenery. Lots of domestic animals, rivers and lakes were immensely filled with water. Traveling was mode of transport. Farming was prime occupation. Our wildlife was also balanced. Food was organic and healthy. Do you know, friends? Our parents and grandparents, when young, used to have so many outdoor activities. But as the technology improved, humans have built machines. Traveling has become so easy with trains, cars, ships and aeroplanes. So many automobiles causing pollution. Loss of trees has led to global warming. Factories, industries, buildings just causing a havoc in our ecosystem. Now friends, we are only into mobiles and laptops. But what about this mess in future? Maybe everything will be robotic. We will be depend on Google, Siri, Alexa. Everything would be automatic. But before anything, we need to save our earth, our mother nature. So friends, let us control machines and not machines control us. Otherwise, the end is very near. We need to save our earth, ourselves and our next generation from disaster. I would like to end my speech by saying, one could dream big, imagine big. But what the use if we can't think even a small thing to make our earth a better place to live? So friends, please like my video, subscribe and share. Thank you.